Hi guys, it's Lottie's Cutes Art here, and for my first tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cream puff. Now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you do is draw the top of the cream puff. So start about here and draw a curve around here. Bring it down. Then another curve, a bit like a cloud. And another one here. Then you need to add a mini curve behind to show the back of it. Curve this down like that. Then you need to draw the filling. So from here, draw some humps, show the filling like that. And then back again. Like that, show the filling. Then you need to draw the bottom, so coming down from here, curve down, and then you can join that up, just like that. Then you need to add the lines in the filling, so just go along like this. Like that, and now we need to draw the face. So, two big circles, like that, with a little circle there. Then if you're drawing a girl, you can put two little lines for eyelashes. Then two lines for the eyebrow, and a smile, cap it off. Then the next thing you can do is go around the edge of the drawing, again in a darker pencil, just to make it stand out. I'm using an 8B. You can use whatever pencil you want. Then you need to colour in the inside of the eye with your pencil. Just like that, and then in the other eye. Like that. Now the next thing to do is to colour it. Now you can use any colour you want. For the filling I'm going to be using blue and green. And then for the rest of the cream puff, just a light brown. And just like that, you have drawn your cream puff. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.